Hello everybody and welcome to your first ever phonics video with me, Miss Mitchell. Today is going to be your first lesson with me. How exciting! So these lessons are going to be amazing because they're going to help you to learn how to read and how to write. How fabulous! So shall we get started with our first sound? Are you ready? Let's go. So for our first sound we are going to be learning the sound. My turn. Ah. Your turn. Ah. Great work. Well done. Say that a few times at home. Good job. Give yourself a pat on the back. You are starting this lesson amazingly. So the sound today is going to be ah. My turn. Ah. Your turn. Ah. Great job. Well done everybody joining in at home. So you are going to be a phonics detective today. Do you think you can do that? Well done. So you need to have a look at all of the pictures that are popping up around me. Can you see them? Good. Take a very close look, detectives, because one of those pictures is going to have my ah sound in. Good. My turn. Ah. Your turn. Ah. Great job. So you need to get your detective binoculars out and have a super close look because you need to find the picture that has the ah sound in. I'll give you a couple of seconds to have a close look. Well done. Say the words out loud because that will help you to hear for the ah sound. Good job everybody. So I'm going to say in 3, 2, 1 and you need to shout out the word that you think has the ah sound in. Are you ready? Let's do it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Shout it out. Yes, you have done it. You have found my word. My word is ant. My turn. Ant. Your turn. Good job everybody. You definitely deserve your first rainbow sprinkles. Fabulous work. So we have just learned that that word is ant. We're going to do something really clever. Are you ready? You need to have a good little jiggle wiggle and get ready because you are going to segment and blend that word together. Do you think we can do it? Let's try. Have a close look. Ah, ant. Your turn. Ah, ant. Well done. You just did your first word. Give yourself a pat on the back. I am so impressed with everyone at home. Well done. It's so exciting because you are not the only one that is joining in with this lesson. There are lots of other learners too. Keep up the good work. So you have just proved you can be a super phonics detective. Well done. So you are ready for your next learning activity. So before we begin, you need to remind me what the sound is. Yes, the sound is ah. My turn. Ah. Your turn. Ah. Great job. So this time you are going to see a picture pop up. Can you see it, detectives? Good. You need to take a very close look because this sound definitely has my ah sound in. Good job. So say the words out loud. Make sure you are saying it out loud at home because everyone wants to hear you working super hard. Well done. Okay, what's my word? Yes, my word is bat. My turn. Bat. Your turn. Bat. Great job. Well done. And just like before, we are going to have a jiggle wiggle and get ready to segment and blend that word together. Shall we do it? Let's go. Bat. Your turn. Bat. Great job. That is amazing. Can you think of a sentence for my word? A couple of seconds. Say your sentence out loud. Amazing. Good job. So, shall we do one together? Great. Let's do it. I saw a big bat in the cave. Great sentences. Well done. You deserve some more rainbow sprinkles. Well done. So, what is my ah sound in that word? Take a close look, detectives. Can you see it? Well done. It's in the middle of my word. Good job, detectives. You are so amazing at this. So, you are ready for your next picture. Take a close look, detectives. Remember, you need to work out what the picture is. It definitely has our sound in. Good, shout it out at me. Yes, you have got it. The word is mat. My turn. Mat. Your turn. Mat. Well done. Super work. So now you know what's coming. Have a jiggle wiggle and let's segment and blend. Mat. Your turn. Mat. Yes, you have just segmented and blended that word amazingly. Well done. I am so impressed. So, can you think of a sentence for the word mat? Say your sentences out loud. Good. Say them really loudly so everyone can hear them at home. Wow, I can hear your sentences from here. Good job. So, let's do one together. I saw a cat sleeping on the mat. Great work, well done. Are you ready to move on to our second sound? Good work. So, listen carefully, detectives. The sound that we are now learning is going to be the S sound. My turn. S. Your turn. S. Good work, well done. So, now that we know our sound, we are going to be super detectives again. Do you think you can do it? Yes, I know you can. So, detectives, have a close look at the pictures that are popping up around me. Can you see them? Good, because one of those pictures is going to have my S sound in. My turn. S. Your turn. Well done. So take a close look. I'm going to give you a couple of seconds to say the words out loud because that's going to help you to hear for the S sound. Take a good look. Say the words out loud. Well done, everybody at home. Are you ready? Because I want you to shout out the word in 3, 2, 1. Yes! You have done it again. Well done. You deserve some more rainbow sprinkles. Well done, everybody. The word is sun. We can definitely hear the S sound in that word. Good job. So, let's have a jiggle. Let's have a wiggle because we need to segment and blend that word, detectives. Shall we do it? Good. Make sure you're joining in. S, sun. Your turn. S, sun. Fabulous. Well done, everybody. Give yourself a pat on the back. You are working so hard. So, where is the S sound in my word? Take a close look, detectives. Yes, you are shouting it out. It is at the start of my word. Great effort, everybody. I'm so impressed. So, can you put the word sun into a sentence for me? Say your sentences out loud. Remember, everybody wants to hear that you're working super hard. Wow, your sentences are amazing. Good job. So let's do one together. The sun is hot. Great sentences, everybody. I bet yours were a little bit similar. So, are you ready for our next learning activity? What's the sound we're learning now? Good, the sound is S. Well done. So, detectives, take a close look at the picture. Remember, you need to say what you think it is out loud. And remember, it has our S sound in. Shout it out at me. Good job. The word is bus. My turn. Bus. Your turn. Bus. Great word. So we can definitely segment and blend this word. Shall we do it? Let's do it. Bus. Bus. Your turn. Bus. Bus. Wowie, that was super good. Good job. So, can you put the word bus into a sentence? Say your sentences out loud. Yes, great sentences. Give yourself some rainbow sprinkles. Well done. So, let's do one together. I like going on the bus. Well done. Super sentences, everybody. Let's take a look at our last picture. Take a very close look, detectives. Shout it out. I'll give you a clue. You might say to someone, good. Shall we say it together? The word is stop. My turn. Stop. Your turn. Stop. Well done. That word is quite a long word, so we need to do a little bit of slow motion segmenting and blending. Shall we try together? Well done, Phonics detectives. You are impressing me so much. Let's go. Let's have a jiggle. Let's have a wiggle. Are you ready? Slow motion. Stop. Your turn. Stop. Wow, great words. Well done, everybody. You deserve a pat on the back. Amazing. So, can you think of a sentence with the word stop? Say your sentences out loud. Well done. Let's do one together. I told you to stop. Good sentences. Amazing. You have just finished both of our sounds today. Wowie, you are so great. So, before we finish, you have got one last activity. You need to put both of our sounds together. Because you are a super phonics detective, this will be so easy for you. Do you want to have a go? Yes, let's do it. So, you will see both of our sounds. What are the sounds we have been learning today? Yes, we have been learning the A sound and the S sound. Great job, everybody. So, we are going to look very closely at the pictures because some of them will have the A sound in and some of them will have the S sound in, okay? So you need to take a very close look to see which one it has in. Let's take a look at the pictures. Remember, say the words out loud. Good work. So let's take a close look at our first picture. I'll give you a clue. You might go to the beach and make something with this. I think you know what it is. What's my word? Sand. Good job. My turn. Sand. Your turn. Sand. Well done. Okay, that word is quite a long word, so let's do our jiggle wiggle and let's segment and blend. S-A-N-D. Sand. Your turn. S-A-N-D. Sand. Have you noticed something? Yes, it has both of my sounds in. Well done, everybody. Give yourself some rainbow sprinkles. I am so impressed. So, that was our challenge word. It has got both of our sounds in. How incredible. Well done. Shall we move on to our next word, detectives? Take a close look. Say it out loud. Yes, the word is cat. My turn. Cat. Your turn. Cat. Great job. So, you know what's going to happen. Well done, detectives. We are going to segment and blend to find which sound it has in. Are you ready? I hope I can see you doing it at home. Well done. At. Cat. Your turn. At. Cat. Wow, that is amazing. Can you tell me which sound it has in? Yes, you are right. It has the sound in. Can you point to it on the screen? Good work, everybody. Give yourself another pat on the back. Are you ready for our last word? Yes, let's do this. Have a close look, detectives. Get your phonics binoculars out. What's my word? Yes, you've got it. The word is rat. My turn. Rat. Your turn. Rat. Well done. So for our last one, let's have a super jiggle wiggle. Let's do a little dance and let's segment and blend. Ready? At, rat. Your turn. At, rat. Which sound can you hear? Yes, we can hear the sound. Well done, phonics detectives at home. Can you tell me where the sound is? Point to it. Good job. It's in the middle of that word. Super work, everybody. I am so impressed with how hard everyone has worked today at home. Well done. So, before you go, you have one last job. I want you to go and be a super phonics detective in your homes, because I want you to find the sound and the sound, because there should be lots of different things with these sounds in, and you need to get your adult to take a fabulous photograph with you with these objects, okay? Because I want them to send in all of your amazing hard work so I can post it so all the other Teachkin students can share and see how hard you have been working at home. Remember, there are going to be lots of giveaways and competitions this month, so please, please, please send in your fabulous work because we all want to see it. Well done, and I will see you in the next lesson.